Hello viewers, today we're going to be replacing the mode door cable for the climate control because it's stuck on the defrost position. So we diagnosed this car earlier in the year, and it needed a cable, so I'm going to show you on how to replace that today. So first things first, you want to take the panel off here. This panel comes out, and you got to remove the plastic here. There's two Phillips screws you remove, and this comes out. So now we're going to take the Phillips screws out. Need to change the screwdriver to the proper one. One here. And one there. Squeeze these in. And then it comes out. Mode door cable is hiding right here. I was trying to see if I could reuse the cable, but it didn't work out, and then it got stuck, and then it was sticking in position, so I just cut it off. So anyhow, I'm going to show you how to disconnect this. It's already disconnected from this end, so we're going to disconnect it at the other end. This is the cable that I will be using. It's direct from Subaru. It's not a very expensive part. It's just under $20. So we're gonna go underneath the driver's kick panel and show you where that cable is located. You have to squeeze here, and the cable is located right up here. I don't know if you guys can see that, so hard to get the camera in here and the light all at the same time. So it's hiding right up here. You can see the cable. So you need to disconnect it from the holder here, and then you can remove the cable. So what I did is I removed the circular piece off of the mode door, and then I opened up this bracket here, open it up a little bit just to get it out, and then it just comes out. And then now it's just the opposite of removal. I put the new one back in, I put this in, it clips all the way in, I close the bracket up, and then now I'm going to connect it to the climate control. Now the cable is routed from here. I'm just going to connect this cable piece now inside the hole. So now I got the cable in. I forgot to mention that that when you connect the cable to the mode door at the bottom under the driver's side kick panel, make sure it's in the same position as on the knob. So if it's on defrost, make sure the mode door is on defrost. Otherwise the doors are gonna get mixed up. Then you'll have to take the cable off again. So I forgot to mention also that you need to get this cable on first before you put the one underneath the driver's side. You need to put this one in first, so that way you're able to move the lever around so you can get the cable inside the hole. I removed the radio, but you don't need to. I thought it was gonna give me some more room. You don't need to remove the radio. So I forgot to mention that the the neck of the sleeve on the plastic here needs to line up perfectly straight inside the holder. So if you look at the cable now, it's inside properly now. The sleeve doesn't move. You just want the cable to move, but you don't want the sleeve to move. So when you put this in, you have to slide it in the back in between. It slides in. You don't clip the cable in. You slide it in underneath, and you should be able to line up the marks that's on the sleeve, and it should go through, and then you should be okay. Just make sure you have the cable in first here, and then you put this in afterwards, and then you can connect the rest of the cable at the other end to where the mode door is underneath the driver's side kick panel. I was having some trouble at first, but then I figured it out. That's all there is to it for replacing the climate control mode door cable. I just need to put everything all back together now, and that's it.